So to create a general assessment, you press in this first field. It says assessment. This is the title or the name of the assessment. So I'm going to put multiplication strategies and subject. These are the subjects based on the standards or outcomes file. So if it's one of these aren't the choices you want to use for this, you can press Other and type in something like, let's say it's operations. I wanted to go specifically in math, let's say. Save. So I can change these or have other choices, other options besides what's on this list. Or I might just want to keep it at mathematics. A value is the amount that this is worth. It says optional. I'm going to leave it blank. Grade 4. If you were teaching multiple classes, I could click here and select the other grade. This pop-up is not showing up. Then you need to go to the main menu, back to home, to the main menu, go to settings, and in settings you have to make sure it's on multi-level class, and then you'll have the choices of more than one grade, as long as your students in your student file have like some are in grade 3 and some are in grade 4. Then they'll show up like this on this list. Then the date of the assessment, it automatically puts today's date in, but I can scroll back and forth and pick whatever date I want. And then as soon as I pick it, all you do is press the next field. If you do press this insert, just this insert button at the top, inserts the current date. So you want to keep it if it's something different, just press that, and then go to term. Now, term will automatically be entered in to whatever the last assessment you've done. If it was term 2, it will enter this as term 2. So you might have to change it to term 3 or whatever. Now these next couple things I generally don't fill out very often, but one is this assessment type, and there's some options here. There's pre-assessment, initial, mid, final, review, and then there's an option to edit these values, to change them. So this is just if it was a pre-assessment, I might put that at the top. Because if I sent this home to parents, students' results on these, and I wouldn't want them to get worried if it was just a pre-assessment and their child didn't do well. Not to worry yet, because it's just a pre-assessment or even initial assessment. Now to edit these values, I can press Edit, and I can just type in the new values I want, delete these or add to these, and then that will always be in the list from now on. I'm not going to change this. I'm just going to save it and go back. Group type. Group type is it a whole class, small group, peer mentoring, individual, and I can edit these values as well to put in. You can put your own values in there. So I might say this is small group. Sometimes I want to do a small group assessment and let parents know, you know what, I'm working with your child in a small group on this, giving them some more specific attention, or even individual. Sometimes I just want parents to know that. And then general information. This is just a place to enter details about the assessment, what it was, what the students had to do, and so on. And that's basically it for creating a general assessment. There's a rating scale and how to select the students. So those are other videos, and please watch them if you're unsure what to do. But basically I'm going to press next and it will take me to the rating scale part, which you can see in another video.